Hello and thanks for joining me. I'm Matthew Rondino with Best Buy Canada's Best Buy blog, and today I'm unboxing, testing out, and reviewing the Turtle Beach Stealth 500 and 600 Gen 3 wireless gaming headsets. Just a friendly reminder, you can order the Turtle Beach 5 and 600 headsets today via bestbuy.ca. The Turtle Beach Stealth 500 and 600 Gen 3 headsets have been designed with the casual and hardcore gamer in mind. Both models earn top marks in audio levels, comfort, design, and overall value. The latest revision of Turtle Beach's mid-range gaming headset line has seen significant upgrades over last year's 600 and 700 Gen 2 models. If you're looking for great performance and value in a headset that will give you an advantage over your opponent, the Stealth 500 and 600 Gen 3s have a lot to offer. I tested both headsets across multiple platforms, including the Xbox Series X, PlayStation 5, PC, and mobile, with great results. I'll break down all the features in both sets of hardware and how they perform, as well as highlight key differences to help you decide which is the right one for you. The first question you might ask yourself is which model to go with, the 500 or the 600? And just for the sake of clarity, in this review, the black headset is the 500 model and the white headset is the 600 model. You can get both models in black or white, so if you're kind of having that as a deciding factor, you can pick different colors, either black or white, for either model. But to kind of answer that original question, 500 or 600, the short answer is you really can't go wrong with either headset. Both offer a great balance of gaming-centric features at a budget-friendly price point. The Stealth 500 carries a lower price tag, but still offers great features like 40mm audio drivers, 2.4 GHz wireless plus Bluetooth connection, and a 40-hour battery life, along with an ultra-lightweight design. On the other hand, the Stealth 600 offers a step up in many performance areas over the 500. The 600 has bigger 50mm audio drivers, a whopping 80 hours of battery life, AI-based noise reduction for clearer chat, and more sound customization options via Turtle Beach's proprietary Swarm 2 app. Bottom line, if budget is a key factor, the 500 might be the way to go. If you want the best cost to feature ratio, I'd recommend sticking with the Stealth 600. Let's dive further into each model's performance and features. Let's take a look at the unboxing and setting up process of the Stealth 500 and 600 headsets. Both models require very little setup to get up and running out of the box. Turtle Beach recommends downloading their app, the Swarm 2, which is available on iOS, Android, and the desktop version on PC to install the latest software updates. I downloaded the app on my iPhone, connected the USB hub, paired the headphones, and updated each in roughly 10 minutes apiece. I did have to repair them a few times over the initial update, but then after that, those were the only minor issues I ran into, and then it was smooth sailing from there. Here's everything you'll receive in the box, and here's everything laid out nice and neatly. You will receive the USB transmitter, so that has to plug into the platform of choice, a USB-C to A cable. Keep that handy because that will act as your charge cable. Startup guide as well too. It's got a good QR code on there which will allow you to very quickly and easily access the links to download the app that is required, and of course the snazzy looking headset itself. So this is everything that comes in the box with the Stealth 500. Now it's time to also unbox the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 3. Again, it's great minimalist packaging. You'll get your quick start guide, your actual USB transmitter hub. Here's everything laid out. Once I've taken all the packaging off of it, we have the quick start instruction manual, similar USB C to A or A to C cable. This is the plug and play USB transmitter hub. So you'll just plug this into your Xbox. Make sure that switch reflects on the side. Make sure that switch reflects which platform you're on. It says Xbox as well as USB. And once you have the proper platform selected, it will just transmit seamlessly. Also, it had sports Bluetooth as well, but here is the headset itself, and this is everything that you get inside the box or inside the package with the Turtle Beach Stealth 600. Here we are at the most important part of this review. How do the Turtle Beach Stealth 500 and 600 perform with gaming audio? When it comes to audio driver performance, quite frankly, bigger is better, and the 600 has a clear advantage in this area. The Stealth 500 model sports 40mm drivers, whereas the 600 has 50mm, offering a deeper, fuller sound. That's not to say the Stealth 500 has a bad sound profile, it's quite the opposite. It produces a balanced sound signature with great frequency response, and it also picks up on smaller sound details in FPS games like footsteps and distant gunfire, but it sounds flatter, and the performance from the 600 overall is much better. The sound profile of the 500 could benefit from more dynamic audio with deeper bass and clearer highs. The Stealth 600's 50mm drivers deliver a richer and more immersive sound with crisp highs, detailed mids, and punchy lows. Playing the same FPS games and even Fortnite like I did with the 500, the difference is clear with the 600, and the overall sound profile is much more diverse. Along with the game, you also sound better with strong mic noise cancellation. And I also found the sound profile was a lot less flat. You would get, as again I mentioned before, you get this greater range between really high-pitched sounds and low bassy sounds. Even when I was dabbling a little bit with some music, some dance music that had some really, really big bass pumping, you could really feel it within the 600, and it was awesome. To be quite honest, I would not only use this as a gaming headset, the Stealth 600, I would also use it for a lot of my audio, like a lot of music audio as well too. Considering the price point though, the 600 offers a more well-rounded sound, and really it helped to enhance my overall gaming experience. Here are my final thoughts on the Turtle Beach Stealth 500 and 600 Gen 3 headsets. Both headsets stand out as great choices for gamers looking for performance and value. The Stealth 500 is an excellent entry-level option, providing a solid audio experience with 40mm drivers and a lightweight, comfortable design. On the other hand, the Stealth 600 elevates the gaming audio experience with its larger 50mm drivers and advanced features like AI-based noise reduction and incredible 80-hour battery life. Both models are well suited for a variety of gaming platforms and offer a greater level of comfort. Whether you choose the Stealth 500 or 600, you'll be pleased with the performance and value Turtle Beach offers with both pieces of hardware. Be sure to check out Best Buy Canada's full lineup of gaming headsets, both in-store and online. I'm Matthew Rondino with Best Buy Canada's Best Buy blog. Thank you so much for watching. Game on!